Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, as I'm sure you already could see from the title, we're just going to be talking about makeup products specifically that I've been loving and using like crazy lately. I really like to do these every so often now because I feel like I try so many new makeup products all the time for you guys, and I just like to keep you like up to date on what I'm actually using and loving and just cannot stop using, I guess, every time I put my makeup on. So that's what today is going to be all about. We're just going to go over some product loves and needs of mine. So before we get started, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Thank you so much if you do. But if you want to see my current makeup loves, then stay tuned for the rest of the video. Alright guys, as usual, I'm not going to be going in any order. I'm just going to start grabbing and letting you know why I love the specific product that I'm talking about. I don't know prices off the top of my head, but I have everything linked in the description box below. So yeah, we could just get started. The first product that I want to talk about is the Hourglass Vanish Airbrush Primer. I'm obsessed with this. I recently tried this, but now I'm thinking that I'm never gonna live without it again because it's so good. I have the other Hourglass one. I think it's like the Veil Mineral Primer, and that one's amazing too. But this one is like everything you could want out of a primer. Like, it fills in your pores like nothing else. It literally feels like silk on your skin, and the makeup just sticks so well on top of this. Like, it is insane. Like, I love this stuff, and the packaging is so freaking adorable. Like, I wish I could have every product in this packaging because it is stunning. So I'm obsessed and I cannot live without it now. The next product is a foundation. So this one, when I first tried it, I really liked it, but I didn't think it was gonna be like a staple in my collection, which it has turned into because I just love it. And every time I wear this, my skin literally looks flawless, and I get so many compliments on my skin. It is the Laura Mercier Real Flawless Weightless Perfecting Foundation. Like I said, I thought I was gonna be indifferent before I tried it. I really enjoyed it when I did try it, but how much I'm using it now, like months after trying it, is insane. Like, I did not expect it. This stuff is amazing, you guys. You put it on your face and it literally feels like there's nothing there. Like, it feels like you're not even wearing foundation, even while you're applying. Whether you're using a brush or a beauty blender or whatever, when you're applying it, it literally feels like you're just applying like brush onto your face with no product on it. Like, it's so weird, but in the best way. And when you put it on, like, a little goes a long way with this stuff, but it looks so perfect and so airbrushed, and it covers everything that you need it to without needing to layer it, while also feeling like there's nothing on your skin. And every day is an amazing skin day when I wear this, so I cannot live without it. Next up is an eyeliner. So this is the Makeup by Mario Master Mattes Brightening Pencil in Light 1. So this is like a nudish eyeliner pencil. I've been using this lately more just to like line my waterline. Like, I don't go over it, just right inside my waterline at the bottom to like open my eyes a little bit more. And I prefer this over a white eyeliner for some reason for my lower lash line. I just think it looks more like natural on me, but this really like opens my eyes up and makes them look even bigger, and it just looks very natural. It's so easy to use, so creamy. The product comes out just the perfect amount. It's just a really good product, and it lasts forever. I've had this for so long. I have been using it now more than I was before, but it's really good, so I highly recommend. Next is a new product. This is the Rare Beauty Brow Harmony Precision Pencil in Deep Brown. I'm wearing this right now. I've been wearing it non-freaking stop because this stuff is just so good. I am typically a powder girl over a brow pencil, so I was very shocked that I love this as much as I do because I just like the look that I get with like a powder brow product more than I do with a pencil lately, but this has completely changed my mind on that. Like every day is a good brow day when I wear this, and it just feels so good in your hands. I feel like it makes the application so much easier just with like this, like with the packaging. It's like so thin, but it fits perfectly in my hand. I love the shape of like the little applicator too. Like it makes it so easy to just flick and control how much product you're putting on. And it's just beautiful. And this, like the little spoolie to brush out your eyebrow hairs, is so nice. It's the perfect size. It does exactly what you want it to. Like I don't even know how to explain it, but this stuff is magic. It's amazing. And I need 5 more before I run out, and it's adorable. Like, look at this. I'm in love. And then next up is a longtime love of mine. It is the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. I finally refilled on this. I was out of it for a little while, but I had some different setting sprays that I was using, and then I ran out and I finally refilled on this, and I'm so glad that I did because nothing sets my makeup the way this stuff does, you guys. Like, it really took me like using other products to just miss this so much and realize just how much I freaking love this stuff and cannot live without it. Like, this stuff is literally cement for your makeup. Like this, when you spray this on your face, your makeup is lasting all day long. It does not matter where you're going or what you're doing. This has lasted me so well and so long for every single occasion that I've used it for. And I don't know if they like upgraded the sprayer, but now like this sprayer like lets out like a very fine, I don't know if you saw that, but it's like a very fine mist. Like before, the only bad thing I had to say about this was the sprayer because it would like spit chunks out at you. This does not. So it's really perfect in every single way, and Charlotte Tilbury packaging just wins all day, every day. So I'm obsessed. I love this stuff. And yeah, I'm never gonna let myself run out again because I truly, truly missed it. And now my makeup is perfect all the time because of it. Next is the DIOR Backstage Flash Perfector Concealer. I'll talk about this for the rest of my life. Like, I used to be a ride or die NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer girl, and now I've converted to the DIOR Backstage Concealer because this stuff is perfect. It literally covers all your under eye bags. Like, my under eyes always look so good when I have this on. I get no creasing from this. I set this and it just looks freaking perfect. The color match is insane. I have the shade 2N, so it's like a light medium, I think, neutral, and it is just perfect. It blends so nicely with other makeup products. It lasts such a long time. It's also perfect for spot concealing if that's all you want to do. Sometimes I won't put anything else on my face and I'll just like do my under eyes with this, and it looks so natural. Like, you could layer it and it'll be like fuller coverage if you want it to be, but I would say it's a medium without layering, and it's just the perfect amount. Like, I love this stuff and I just will never let myself let it go. So yeah, next up is the NARS Orgasm Afterglow Liquid Blush. I'm obsessed with this, and I've literally been screaming it from the rooftops to everybody I know because it's just such a good blush. And I feel like the entire NARS Orgasm line of blushes is amazing, but just the consistency and the formula of this one is unlike any other. Like, I truly, truly love like the liquid and the way that it blends and melts into the other products on your face, and it's just the perfect amount of blush too. Like, it gives you the perfect flush of color on your cheeks without being too much, without being too little. Like, it is just everything that you could want from a blush and then some. So I love that. And then that brings me into my next one because I love to layer these two. The DIOR Rouge Blush in 219 Rose Montaigne. This is a newer product that I just recently tried, but I've been wearing it literally every single time I do my makeup. I'm wearing it right now. I'm wearing a lot of these products right now, actually. but I cannot get enough of this. And this layered on top of the NARS Orgasm liquid blush is a literal match made in heaven. Like, there is nothing like this combo. So this one's a powder. It has that same kind of peachy pinkness to it, and it has a tiny bit of shimmer in it, but it's the perfect combination. Like, here's this, and then here's the NARS. Like, they just go so well together. This one literally makes your cheeks look airbrushed. It completely just melts into the other products on your face, and it looks perfect every time. And the other great thing, I usually hate like the little brushes that come with blush products like this, but this brush is so good and applies the product so perfectly. So everything about this is absolutely amazing, and I need it in more colors now, so love that. And then I have 2 more products, but you're gonna see a theme here with the DIOR, because I feel like I've been saying all year that DIOR has just been winning with the makeup products this year. Like, everything from DIOR that's been coming out has been so good. So this is the DIOR Forever Natural Bronzer in the shade 5 Warm Bronze. So this is literally the only bronzer that I've been using like since it came out. I'm just obsessed with it. It's so good. It bronzes me so perfectly. It looks so natural. It's not too much, it's not too little. It's so easy to blend, and just everything about it is amazing. Like, it's like a more matte bronzer, which I do love, like glowy bronzers too, but I feel like lately I've been gravitating a little bit more towards like a matte bronzer, and this just does everything that I could ask for from a bronzer. And the packaging is just so perfect. It's like a cushiony packaging that has like the logo, and it's adorable. It looks so luxurious. It makes my face look so luxurious, so I'm in love. And then the last product is also from DIOR. It is the DIOR Forever Couture Luminizer. It is a highlighter in the shade 1 Nude Glow. I'm also wearing this right now, just on all the high points of my face that I wanted highlighted. Also that same like cushiony packaging, but the DIOR bronzer is a little more matte cushion. This one's like a glowy kind of cushion, and then you open it up and it's just the concealer and a little mirror, or not concealer, highlighter. This stuff is amazing. I especially love to put this on the tip of my nose because this highlights my nose so beautifully. Like, it literally just is giving me the exact button nose effect that I try to get from every highlighter. Like, this does it so perfectly, and this gives me the perfect amount of intensity without being too much, because I don't like super out there highlighters, and it's not doing too little either. Like, it is just perfect, and it's not like a chunky glittery highlighter, because I really don't like those. This just looks like your face is glowing, that you take really good care of your skin, that your skincare is A++. Like, it just looks like you're glowing from within, but it does like a little extra for you, if you know what I mean. And it's just so soft and so creamy, and it looks so good with all other products that I use it with. Like, just everything is amazing about this. So that is all for today, you guys. Like, these are products that I've been using nonstop, that I've been loving, that I've been obsessed with, and that I really recommend. So I hope you guys enjoyed, but comment and let me know what you think about the products that I talked about. Let me know what other products you want me to try, because I am always open to trying new things. So yeah, comment and say hello. Give this a big thumbs up, and please subscribe to the channel, but stay tuned, and I will see you guys in the next video.